Our very own star. A brief look at the sun and its importance to Earth. The sun, a giant ball of burning gas. It sits at the center of our solar system. Every planet orbits around it. Life on Earth depends on the sun. It gives us light. It gives us warmth. Without the sun, there would be no life as we know it. The sun is a star, just like the ones we see at night, but it's much closer to us. That's why it looks so big and bright. We need the sun. It's crucial for our survival. Stellar explosions. Understanding supernovae and the sun's life cycle. Stars are born, they live, and they die. A supernova is a spectacular death of a star. It's a massive explosion. It happens when a star runs out of fuel. Our sun is a star. It's about halfway through its life. But don't worry, it won't explode as a supernova. It's not massive enough. Only the biggest stars go supernova. Not our sun's fate. Why our sun won't go supernova. Supernovae are rare events. They only happen to a small percentage of stars. Our sun is not one of them. It's too small. It doesn't have enough mass to create the conditions for a supernova. When our sun runs out of fuel, it will go through a different process. It will expand into a red giant. This will engulf the inner planets. Then, it will shrink down into a white dwarf. This is a much quieter death than a supernova. A hypothetical catastrophe, imagining the unimaginable, the sun as a supernova. Let's imagine the impossible. What if our sun did go supernova? It would be catastrophic. The explosion would release an unimaginable amount of energy. This energy would travel across space at the speed of light. Earth would be in the direct path of this energy. It would be like detonating billions of nuclear bombs, all at once, right next to us. The end of our world. Earth's instantaneous demise. The moment the supernova's energy hit Earth, it would be over. Vaporized. Gone. The oceans would boil away in seconds. The surface of the Earth would turn into molten rock. The atmosphere would be stripped away. There would be no time to react. No warning. One moment we would be here, the next we would be gone. It would be the ultimate extinction event. Ripples of destruction. The supernova's impact on our solar system. The sun's supernova wouldn't just destroy Earth, it would wreak havoc on the entire solar system. The intense radiation would blast everything in its path. Planets would be knocked out of their orbits. Some might be completely destroyed. The beautiful rings of Saturn, gone. The gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, blasted apart. The solar system as we know it would cease to exist. Life eradicated, the end of everything we know. Life as we know it is a delicate balance. It depends on the sun's energy, but a supernova would unleash chaos. The intense heat and radiation would kill everything. From the smallest bacteria to the largest whales, nothing would survive. It would be a complete sterilization event. Life in all its forms would be extinguished. A safe distance from disaster, the impossibility of a supernova in our backyard. We can all breathe a sigh of relief. The sun going supernova is impossible. It's a fun thought experiment, but it's not based in reality. Our sun will die peacefully. It will become a white dwarf. And that won't happen for billions of years. We have plenty of time to enjoy our star. The allure of the unknown. Why we're drawn to cosmic catastrophes. Even though it's impossible, the idea of a supernova is fascinating. It reminds us of the power of the universe. It makes us appreciate the fragility of our own existence. We are but a small part of something much larger, and while our time in the universe is finite, the universe itself is full of endless wonders.